Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I am Rahul Randeria and I will be the host for today's show. Today, we would be discussing about the setups in the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and particular patterns in individual stocks. Last week, we have discussed that market for the current past week. We have discussed that market would be volatile on the back of the US election, and we have seen that wide swing coming into the markets. This volatility would be continued for the next 5 to 10 trading sessions, and still the voting is under count, and still that the declaration of the president is yet to come in the coming days. So definitely, it would be highly volatile trading sessions in the next week also. Now, looking at the daily charts of the Nifty from the level of 7,511 on the weekly charts, as you can see on the screen, Nifty has been moving in an upward rising channel, making higher tops, higher bottoms. RSI is also moving slowly and gradually higher. Currently, Nifty is just near its lifetime high, which is around 12,430, and Friday's closing was around 12,263. Now, if you look at the weekly candle, it has given a breakout of last 3 weeks of congestion, and it has given a strong candle. So it clearly indicates that Nifty has potential to test its lifetime high, which is 12,430 and beyond that. But looking at the last week, Nifty has rallied very sharply from the levels of almost 11,900 odd levels to 12,260 or 12,270 odd levels. So definitely any correction or any slight cool off in the Nifty should be used as a buying opportunity in an anticipation that Nifty would break out its lifetime high, which is 12,430. So definitely one should trade with strict stop losses because volatility is going to increase in the next week also. Now the crucial support in the Nifty are coming around 12,131 spot levels. If it breaks, then next level is 12,012. Then next support is at 11,908. On the upside, the major resistance is around 12,350. If it breaks, then the lifetime high, which is 12,430, and then if it breaks those levels, then the next level would be around 12,555. So these were the levels in Nifty. Now in the Bank Nifty, if we see Bank Nifty in the last couple of days, it has given a breakout from a congestion range. Bank Nifty has also rise sharply, significantly in the last 5 to 7 trading sessions, as you can see on the charts. A blue line, horizontal line, which indicates that there was a congestion since March, and in November we have seen a breakout. So definitely momentum is intact. We were expecting some sort of profit booking, but definitely on the hourly charts, some sort of overbought territory is seen in Bank Nifty also. Any correction, maybe 1% correction, 1.5% correction in Bank Nifty also should be used as a buying opportunity. So definitely, Bank Nifty is also showing some sort of strength. The upside, some upside stream is also left in Bank Nifty. Now the crucial supports in the Bank Nifty are placed at 26,375. Then next support is at 26,000, which is a psychological mark. If it breaks those levels, then 25,771 is the third and final support for next week. On the upside, the major resistance are placed at 27,096 levels. If it breaks, then next level is coming around 27,500, and above that 28,000, which is a psychological mark. That is a main resistance area. So upside 28,000 seems in the next week, but any pullback should be used to buy, not at these levels. We should wait for some pull up, then enter at the lower levels and keep these levels into mind and trade with strict stop losses. Now I would like to discuss about the derivative data, the most of where the strong position has been built. Now first of all, I would like to discuss on Nifty. The maximum position or the strong position where in Nifty calls which is built, if you can see on the charts or in the screens, are first 12,300 mark. I mean to say 12,300 strike price. Then next strike price is 12,400, and then another strike price is 12,500. You can see maximum building up of open interest. As you can see, the percentage changes are in positive territory, which indicates that price going up, strike price it clearly indicates that the long build-up has been seen in this particular strike price 12,300, 12,400, and 12,500. Now in the Nifty put on the downside, the major strong position which is built around are seen around 12,100, as you can see on the screen, then 12,000 which is psychological mark, and then 11,900. Now if you see the percentage change, it's clearly percentage change is showing that it is in the red column, which indicates that lot of put writing has been done around 12,100, 12,000 and 11,900. So I feel that for the next week, 12,000 and 11,900 would be the base, would be the strong support area. So yes, definitely the momentum is positive, and Nifty might see a breakout of lifetime high and can test the higher levels. Now on the Bank Nifty front, I would like to discuss the calls, the strike price where the strong position has been built. In Bank Nifty, on the upside, as you can see on the screen, 27,000, very strong open interest built up. Then 27,500, again strong open interest built up. 27,800, again strong open interest built up. In percentage changes also, you can see it is a green column, which indicates that the lots of the call has been bought in Bank Nifty also. 27,000 calls, 27,500 calls, and 27,800 calls. Now on the put side, the strong position where in Bank Nifty inputs, we can clearly see 26,500 and 26,000. Again, in percentage change, there has been the strong shedding in the premium. It is in the red, which clearly indicates that strong, I mean to say, strong put writing has been done around 26,000 and 26,500. So the main important support would be for the next week would be 26,000. So these were the levels where a trader should watch out for and trade accordingly. It is going to be a highly volatile session. Trade with strict stop losses. Now, for the long-term investment, I have identified one stock for long-term investment, which is Petronet LNG. Now, if you look at on the charts, on the daily charts, the stock has been in a falling channel, making lower tops, lower bottoms, and currently it is just nearing its breakout point. The stock is on the verge of a breakout. There has been rise in volumes, and on the RSI front, there has been positive divergence. When stock was making low tops, low bottoms, RSI was making higher tops, which clearly indicates that the trend is changing. Is this in Petronet LNG? So definitely at 230, or if there is a correction around 220, it is a great buying opportunity. For long term, I am having a target of 275 to 280 odd levels. So any dip should be used as a buying opportunity in Petronet LNG. So these were the observation for the last week, and depending upon that, we have identified long-term investment call and strategy for next week also. So again, I would like to just suggest that trade with strict stop losses. The session is going to be highly volatile next week. Nifty might test its lifetime high. So trade with strict stop losses. Try to book profits at every rise. And for long-term investment, any dips should be used as a buying opportunity in Petronet LNG. So hence for this, I would like to conclude the today's show. Thank you very much for watching. You can suggest or give comments in the comment box, and for live calls, you can again connect me to my Twitter handle, which is @Rahul Randeria for live calls. Thank you very much, and have a nice trading week.